Okay, so one of your new year resolution is to make money and earn in dollar or other foreign currency. Trust me, that is really cool. But if you come from a third world nation like Nigeria, one of the problem is usually with payment. So you have done a lot of work, put in a lot of effort, written so many proposals just to get a client, and you finally found someone that wants to hire you, that needed your service. But the issue now is with the payment. I understand this because I've been through all of this myself. But here is the good news: I found a platform that makes everything very, very easy. Now, this platform is very amazing. Within 30 minutes, you can get your foreign currency, that dollar, euro, pounds, or any other foreign currency directly to your Nigerian bank account, just with your mobile phone. You don't need to go to any bank, do any paperwork. Everything is done on your smartphone, and within 30 minutes you have your money in your bank account. Now, this is what I'll be doing in this same video. I'll do a live transaction so as to show you the whole process of using this platform. If you are with me, then keep watching this video. Okay, now let's get started. Now, before we venture into today's video, please, if this is your first time on my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish valuable content that will help you save time, make more money, and save more money. And please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to more people. Like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people looking for a similar solution. So guys, I'm about to review this awesome platform. Trust me, you will love it. Now, before I show you how to use this platform, just some weeks ago in December, I had a client from the US that wants me to help her run a lead generation campaign, set up the campaign and everything, manage the campaign. Now, I use PayPal. Like, I sent my PayPal to her to send the money into. Now, here is the thing: I'm not talking of Nigerian PayPal accounts now. I'm currently in Poland, right? And I use all of my details. This is a verified account, address, bank account, card, everything. They were all verified on PayPal, and I sent this same account to my client that needed my service. After making this payment, can you imagine, PayPal just blocked my account, telling me I can only access my funds after 180 days. And I'm like, what the heck are you guys trying to say? So the client needs to wait for like 180 days before she can get a service. So I'm very sure most of you are also having this issue, most especially if you are using PayPal, because it is not safe. That is just the truth. I'll be very real on this video. So I actually found this solution, this platform. Trust me, it's just the perfect solution. Now note, this is for people that are from Nigeria, because this platform is just like an intermediary between you and your client. So you get your money directly to your to your Nigerian bank account, while they get the money from your client for you. And I will show you the whole process in this video. Trust me, it is very, very, very easy to do. So now all you need to do is just go to movefunds.co, go to the website and sign up, or just go to adedekesamuel.com/movefunds. You can visit the link you are currently seeing on your screen. Visit the link and you'll be able to register. So all you need to do is just register on the platform, and you have access to all of their services. Now, here is the thing: you need to register and wait for approval. Just register, but trust me, within minutes you can do all of this. Register and wait for approval. Within minutes your account will be approved. I've actually gone through this phase. I've registered and I got my account approved, I think 2 days ago. So let me show you how you can use this platform in real time. Now, this is how the platform works. When you want to send money, or receive money. It works in two ways. You can either use to send money or receive money. Now when you are using it to send money, like you are the one sending the money. Now you have dollar and you want to send Naira to someone probably in Nigeria. So come to this website, then you see all of this. You see receive money from abroad, send money to Nigeria. So let me show you how to do this first, then I'll show you how to do this. Okay, let me start with this because I think this is the main one that most of us are interested in. So if you're a freelancer, if you have a client in abroad that you want to receive money from, all you need to do is come to this platform, generate your payment link, because all you need to do is generate a payment link, generate this payment link and include it in your invoice. You get it now? Include it in your invoice, and we can just send the invoice to your client so you can be able to receive your money. And if you have rich uncles and rich aunties in the abroad that wants to send you money directly to your bank account, you can as well use this. Everything is very, very easy. All you need to do is just generate your payment link. So this is how the stuff works. Look at it. You create your payment link, you share your payment link with the person that wants to send you the money. Now the sweetest part of this platform is that the person sending you the money does not need to even create an account. You are the only one that needs an account. The person sending you does not need to create an account, and the money will be sent directly to your account, to your bank account in Nigeria. They have various means which they can use to make the payment. They get it now. So everything is easy. Move Funds is the intermediary between you and the guys. Okay, so let me just show you. I'll try to create a transaction now, and let's see if this will work. So all you need to do is come to receive money from abroad. Receive money from abroad. So I'll just request like $50 from a client. So let's see if this will work. So this is the form that you need to fill. You fill this form. I'll put in my details. Adeleke Samuel, as you know. Okay, phone number, I'll just use this. So country is Nigeria. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. So payment title, I'll just put website design service. Now you don't need to necessarily put any of this. If it is from a family or friend, you can just put something there. It is not really mandatory. Payment description, I'll just write payment for a website design service. Of course, I don't charge this. I charge more than that. Okay, so all right, so I'll just click on next. Then I'll fill in my account details, bank name, Adeleke. So it's filled. So I'll just put $50. Then I'll generate my payment link. That is it. So it is this payment link that will be generated now that you copy and you send to your client or to your friend or family that wants to send you the money. So let's see. Can you see your payment link is ready? Your link has been sent to your email. So I'll just come. Can you see I just received an email? I'll just come to my email and look out. Can you see Move Funds new payment link? So you open the link, the email, and you just copy the link or open it that way. So this is the link, and I'll copy this link now and I'll send to my client. All they need to do is come to this link and click on pay now. So I'm waiting for the person to pay in the money, and I'll be notified that the payment has been made. So let's just wait a little. I might decide to pause this video and come back, but if the person is fast, then think that will be okay. So as you can see, all they need to do is fill in their billing details, and they will see the details of the payment that I'm requesting for. Can you see? Now one more thing is, there is a processor fee which is very, very cheap compared to other platforms. Trust me, this is really, really cheap, very, very cheap, and they have a good rate. So all they need to do is just come here and fill in their credit card details. In fact, there is WeChat method, and they can make their payment. So I'm waiting for the payment to be made. I just got a notification now that she has made the payment. So let me confirm if the payment has been made. Awesome. Look at payment successful. Can you see? My client has successfully made a payment of $50 to you. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and refresh your bank balance within 10 to 30 minutes. Awesome. Now the client has made the payment for the service. So all you need to do is just relax. So once Move Funds confirm the payment, they will remit the equivalent amount to your bank account. Very, very easy. Okay, so while we are waiting for Move Funds to remit the money to my account, you might be wondering, can I trust these people with my money? Yes, you can. I've done my assignment and I've done my research before I am recommending this particular service or platform to you. One of the co-founders is actually the winner of the TechPoint Technovation Challenge in 2019, and they have their business, their parent company, registered in US. So you are safe, your money is secured. There is no issue of someone running away with your money. And one more thing, for security issue, if you are sending more than $2,000, like you want to receive more than $2,000, all you need to do is contact them and they will sort out everything. But below $2,000, I think you are good to go. So you have no issue. So I'm waiting for the payment from Move Funds. So let's see how fast they can make the payment. Awesome. Can you see, this is 12:06, and I think I requested the payment around 12:01 or so. Can you see the time here? 12:06. This is the credit alert from my UBA bank. I use UBA, right? So I will just open this. Okay, now so I will just scroll down to confirm the payment, that I've received the payment. Okay, can you see now, this was done 5 minutes ago. Account credit alert. This is the equivalent amount in Naira, 27,450. That's $50. Can you see? And the transaction narration is from movefunds.co. So guys, trust me, this platform is just awesome, and I would advise you to use the platform if your headache has always been how you can receive money from your client. So guys, I do not want this video to be longer than this, so I want to believe you got value. If you got value, please do well to like this video, comment, and also share with your friends looking for similar solution. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.